Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the amazing new technology from OpenAI called GPTs, or Generative Pre-trained Transformers. These are powerful AI assistants that can do almost anything you can imagine. From writing code, to creating art, to answering questions, and more. I'm going to show you how you can make money with GPTs in 2024 and beyond by building your own custom GPTs, selling them to businesses, or becoming a GPT expert freelancer. But before we get into that, let me explain what GPTs are and why they are so revolutionary. GPTs are based on the famous ChatGPT model, which is a deep learning system that can generate natural language texts on any topic, given some input or prompt. ChatGPT can write stories, poems, essays, jokes, tweets, and even code, just by using its own words and knowledge. But ChatGPT is not very specialized or tailored to specific use cases or domains. It can talk about anything, but not very well. That's where GPTs come in. GPTs are customized versions of ChatGPT that are perfectly adapted to your company or your specific use case. For example, you can create a GPT that is an AI yoga coach, a GPT that is a luxury item authenticator, or a GPT that is a real estate data analyst. These GPTs can do things that ChatGPT can't, such as using external data sources, performing actions, or integrating with other systems. These GPTs are like your own personal AI assistants that can help you with anything you need. OpenAI has made it very easy for anyone to create their own GPTs by providing a platform where you can customize your GPT with 3 key ingredients: prompting, knowledge, and actions. Prompting is the written instructions that you give to the AI to tell it how to behave, what to do, and what tone of voice to use. Knowledge is the additional information that you provide to the AI, such as files, documents, or data sets, that it can use to generate better answers. Actions are the capabilities that you enable for the AI, such as using OpenAI's existing tools like DALL-E, Browser, Bing, or Codex, or creating your own custom actions that can do things in the real world, such as interacting with databases, APIs, or websites. By combining these 3 ingredients, you can create a unique recipe for your GPT that will make it do exactly what you want it to do. You can then test your GPT on the OpenAI platform, or use the Assistant API to deploy it on your own website, app, or system. You can also list your GPT on the OpenAI marketplace, where you can share it with others, or sell it for a profit. OpenAI has promised to share revenue with the creators of popular GPTs, which could be a lucrative opportunity if you are one of the first to create a high-quality GPT for a high-demand use case. But how do you find these use cases? And how do you create these GPTs? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to share with you the 3 biggest opportunities that I've identified for you to make money with GPTs. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions on how you can take action on these opportunities today, to get in on them early. These opportunities are: building GPTs for the GPT store, building custom GPTs for businesses, specializing in GPT strategy and development as a freelancer. Let's start with the first one, building GPTs for the GPT store. This is the most obvious and straightforward way to make money with GPTs. You simply create a GPT that solves a problem, provides a service, or entertains a user. And then you list it on the OpenAI marketplace, where you can charge a fee for users to access or use your GPT. You can also earn revenue from OpenAI if your GPT becomes popular and generates a lot of usage. This is similar to how developers make money by creating apps for the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. You create something valuable, and then you sell it to the masses. But there are some challenges and risks with this approach. First of all, you need to be aware of the competition. The GPT store is going to be flooded with thousands of GPTs created by other developers who are trying to do the same thing as you. Many of these GPTs will be low quality, low effort, or low value, and will quickly become commoditized or obsolete. You need to be able to create GPTs that stand out from the crowd, that offer something unique, useful, or fun, that users will want to pay for and use repeatedly. You also need to be able to market your GPT and get it in front of the right audience, who will appreciate and value your GPT. Secondly, you need to be aware of the innovation. OpenAI is constantly updating and improving their technology and adding new features and capabilities to their platform. This means that your GPT might become outdated or irrelevant. If OpenAI releases a new tool or a new version of ChatGPT that can do what your GPT does, but better, you need to be able to keep up with the changes and adapt your GPT accordingly, or risk losing your users and your revenue. You also need to be aware of the imitation. OpenAI might decide to copy or integrate your GPT into their own solutions if they see that your GPT is successful and popular. This could mean that you lose your competitive advantage or even your entire business if OpenAI takes over your niche or use case. So, how do you overcome these challenges and make money with the GPT store? Here's my recommended strategy. Step 1. Start creating GTTs. You need to practice and experiment with the platform and learn how to use the 3 ingredients of prompting, knowledge, and actions to create different kinds of GTTs. You need to try different combinations and see what works and what doesn't. You need to test your GTTs and get feedback from users to improve your GTTs. You need to create a portfolio of GTTs that showcase your skills and creativity. Step 2. Build your developer reputation. You need to establish yourself as a good and reliable GPT builder who can create high-quality and high-value GTTs. You need to get positive reviews and ratings from your users and get featured on the OpenAI platform. You need to build a brand and a following that will attract more users and customers to your GTTs. Step 3. Find unique datasets. You need to find data sources that are not available to everyone that can give your GPT an edge over the competition. You need to find data that is relevant, accurate, and useful for your target use case or niche. You need to find data that can enhance your GTT's performance, functionality, or personality. You need to find data that users will pay to access or use through your GPT. That's how you can make money by building GTTs for the GPT store. But there's another way to make money with GTTs that is more profitable and sustainable, in my opinion. And that is by building custom GTTs for businesses. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on GTTs and other topics. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from our channel.